Did we just enter into the wrong room? Oh my god.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다.
Come on. I really need to get this job. Okay, my certificates are here. Everything looks great. I hope I get in, man.
Okay, Arpan, just be yourself. They want creativity, not checklists.
Hi, you're also giving an interview.
Yeah. Even I'm going.
All the best. All the best.
This big company is very tough to get in, huh?
Yeah. All the best, then, huh?
All the best.
벽을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자.
Welcome to the interview.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
So your name is Arpan.
Yes. What's your name? My name is Siddharth Kothari.
Okay. And why are you here?
Hey, I have designed a user interface that reacts to emotions. I've called it the mood mode.
One second. What user interface? Can you please first show your certifications?
Certification. Okay. Now tell me about your experiences.
Yes, sir. So I've won a lot of certificates, sir. So I've done a lot of certificate courses, and even your program of scoring marks in skill development, sir. I've done that course also. This is my 12th board exam score.
Okay.
This is my
Leave
10th
about the
board.
scores and percentages and all. How creative you are.
Have you done our online course?
I kind of just dropped out of an online course just because I felt it too rigid.
Sir,
How do you think different from others?
so creative writing also I scored 100, sir. So how much did you score in your 12th board exams?
How does that matter, yaar? Come on. I've done so many internships and so many courses.
Please sit properly.
Yeah. Okay. So how much do you know about our company?
Sir, so I think your company is one of the best in the
Okay.
world.
You can feel free and sit aram se, make yourselves comfortable.
Okay, like this, sir.
You don't need to be so formal. You can be casual. You can be yourself. Okay.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Oh. Aspect.
Please sit back in your place. No one asked you to stand.
I'm sorry, sir.
And we asked you about your work experience, not about your philosophy.
Well, you can just walk around and feel the air and just be comfortable. You don't need to be so formal. It's fine. Okay.
How much pay do you expect?
I'm expecting about 2.5 lakh rupees per month.
That much? You don't even pay that to a top level manager's genius?
How much salary you are expecting?
25,000
25,000 per month or per week?
per month, sir. Per week you will give, sir. You applied for user interface and design, right?
Yes, I've applied for UI and design, but obviously I'll be open and comfortable working with other departments such as marketing, such as finance, HR, PR. Yeah, I'm open to working with different departments. And what role you have applied for?
Sir, I've applied for finance.
Okay. So I hope you're aware that here you will be put to different roles, different departments. You will be shifted to marketing, you will be shifted to HR.
Sir, I applied for finance.
That I know, but you will be put to different departments: marketing, finance, HR.
Sir. You know, right? Every day you need to work for 12 hours?
12 hours, sir. Oh, I just thought I have to get the work done.
Sir, what is my work hours, sir? From when to when do I work?
Work hours, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Whatever work we assign to you, you just have to finish the work.
Okay. Sir, but like, should I come at 10 o'clock, sir?
No. There's no fixed timing.
Should I leave at 5?
Again,
It's
I'm
not a
telling
10
you.
to 5 job, Siddharth. It's when the HR tells you, that's the time you come, and that's the time you leave when he tells you to leave. Do you get that?
So it's flexible.
Yeah, it's a flexible kind of a thing.
You just have to finish your work. What and all they were asking, bro? I still don't understand.